Hey everyone! Welcome back to Fix It Design, your go-to destination for stunning home interior inspiration. Today, we're unlocking the beauty of a layout that's both stylish and space-savvy, the single-wall kitchen. And what's taking these kitchens to the next level in 2025 limestone backsplashes. In this video, we'll explore 75 gorgeous single-wall kitchen ideas that pair sleek design with the timeless charm of natural limestone. Whether you're renovating your home or gathering ideas for a new project, these combos are sure to spark your imagination. Section 1. The appeal of single-wall kitchens. Single-wall kitchens are loved for their simplicity and functionality. They're perfect for small apartments, open-plan homes, or anyone who loves a clean, streamlined look. By placing all your key elements, stove, sink, and storage along one wall, you free up space for dining, lounging, or even adding a statement island. And with the right finishes, this layout doesn't just save space, it becomes the centerpiece of your home. The trick is making it feel warm and high-end, and that's where limestone truly shines. Section 2. Why limestone? Why limestone? Unlike glossy tiles or cold metals, limestone brings a soft, organic texture that instantly warms up your kitchen. It's rich in natural tones, from creamy ivory and warm sand to subtle grays and earthy browns. No two pieces are the same, so each backsplash has its own character and charm. It pairs beautifully with all kinds of cabinetry, whether it's matte black, oak wood, deep navy, or classic white. Plus, limestone is versatile. It works with modern, rustic, minimalist, and Mediterranean styles effortlessly. Section 3. Stunning design combinations. Let's talk about style ideas. Picture this: light oak cabinets paired with a soft beige limestone backsplash, styled with matte black handles and a sleek white countertop. It's warm, modern, and calming. Or go bold with dark charcoal cabinets and textured gray limestone, creating a moody, high-contrast look. Love minimalism? Try pure white cabinets with a smooth ivory limestone slab that runs all the way up to the ceiling. Add floating wooden shelves and soft under-cabinet lighting. It's elegant yet practical. Don't forget metal accents like brass or matte gold faucets to elevate the finish. Section 4. Small space magic. For smaller kitchens, this layout is perfect. Use flat front cabinets to keep things sleek and maximize vertical space with tall upper units or open shelves. A limestone backsplash adds instant luxury without making the space feel cramped. It reflects soft light and adds depth, especially if you use it as a full slab instead of traditional tiles. Pair it with light-toned flooring, a mirror splash, or glass front cabinetry to make the room feel even more open. You'd be surprised how luxurious a compact kitchen can feel with just the right materials. So there you have it, 75 gorgeous single-wall kitchen designs with limestone backsplashes that blend simplicity, elegance, and functionality in one stylish package. Whether you're designing from scratch or giving your current kitchen a facelift, these combinations can totally transform your space. Let us know in the comments which look was your favorite. And if you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe to Fix It Design, and hit that bell so you never miss our latest interior trends and tips. See you in the next one.